based upon their demographic profile. So on the next slide, we're going to... Where'd the audio go? Adding audio into your Google Slides is a great way to be able to add music, narrations, and more into your presentations. And we've covered how to do this in a previous video, which I'll have linked in the description box below and in the iCard in the top right of your screen. However, if you insert audio into your presentations, typically when you click on the next slide, the audio will stop. To get this to play over multiple slides, once you've inserted your audio, for example this narration through some classwork, go up to Format Options at the top navigation bar and head on into Audio Playback. It will then proceed to give you a range of different options, such as the ability to start playing the audio automatically when it clicks onto that slide, the volume when presenting, the ability to hide the icon when presenting, and more. But the only thing we want to change in here is deselecting the Stop on Slide Change option here. If we uncheck this box, now when we present, we're able to play the recording and then click on multiple slides.